In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for removing and reinstalling a motor mount. In this step, we're going to talk about removal of the motor mount bolt itself and removal of the mount from the body of the vehicle. As you can see, I have a bolt head here that runs through the center of the motor mount. On this side, there is a nut with a fastening clip on it. Now this fastening clip here is going to make it so I don't need to put a wrench on this side of the nut. I'll just take my 1/2-inch drive ratchet. I have a 17mm socket on there. Let you get a look at that. And put it on the bolt and give it a good tug. This bolt runs all the way through from this bracket, through the center of the motor mount, and through to the other side. It's a heavy-duty grade 8 hardened steel bolt, and what it does is makes a sandwich out of this bracket and the motor mount itself. Once you hear the retaining clip fall off the other side, you can slide the bolt all the way out. As you can see, it's a fairly long-winded guy. And slide the motor mount up and out of the vehicle. That is the proper way to remove the motor mount mounting bolt and remove the engine mount itself.